Chapter 1. How to prepare the materials needed. Utensils. Skewers, bamboo sticks or steel. In order to achieve the best results to the meat being barbecued, you will need to skewer the meat. Skewers will keep the meat in place, making it easier to turn, and when it's done, it'll be easy to serve and to eat. Mixing bowl. The bowl will be used for mixing and combining all the ingredients, including the meat. It's a lot easier to put everything together if you have a bowl big enough to allow enough space for mixing. Kitchen gloves. Of course, you don't want to contaminate your barbecue sauce with anything that your hands have been into. Be sanitary and wear gloves when using your hands to mix the sauce and meat. Grilling equipment. You must have grilling equipment to barbecue to begin with, so you must obviously have one ready as well. If possible, get a grilling machine with a drip pan to collect the barbecue drippings, which can be optionally used in making the barbecue sauce. Basic ingredients. Base condiments: soy sauce, tomato and banana ketchup, oyster sauce, tomato sauce, palm vinegar, hoisin sauce. Herbs and spices: allspice powder, ground rosemary, paprika, ground pepper, ground fresh peppercorn, dried basil, thyme, chili powder. Other ingredients: sugar, salt, garlic powder, fresh garlic, ginger, lemongrass, lemon juice, onions, cherry syrup, orange concentrate. The aforementioned ingredients can be substituted with other ingredients that are similar in nature. For instance, if you cannot find palm vinegar, you may use regular distilled white vinegar. Lemongrass is optional if you don't like the taste, or you can reduce the amount of sugar for health reasons.